Gang, what it is? Mook in the V, back with another video. Trying to get up out the house right now, man. Crib dirty than the mug. Hope y'all didn't see too much. Big lens on the camera, man. It's Stunna Jam, y'all. Mexican Independence Weekend, man. If y'all been staying tuned to my Instagram, man. It's been a crazy weekend, man. But I just been out here pushing, grinding, making it happen. Y'all see what we got on, man. Got that new MV drip, baby. You see it, man. Mook in the V LLC, gang. Go ahead and holler at me on Instagram, man. Get y'all some today. I do ship out of state. It's a $11 shipping fee, but this particular shirt right here is $30. If you want it to be double colored here, it's $35. You'll see, I don't even think I made a video with that shirt on, but I did have it on my Instagram, and I'll make another post as well. Nothing has changed. Mookie juice on deck. Hold on, trap. Mookie juice on deck for sale. These are also $25. Come shop with me, man. One-stop shop here, man. Come get what you need, what you want. I'm about to get on the road. It's late already. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Stunna Jam started at 12, so it should be bubbly right now. Trying to think if I need anything else before I dip. We out here at Stunna Jam already, man. Y'all know what time it is. Man, I think I might even gave y'all intro already, but you know what I mean? We outside, man. Y'all see the new MV drip on me, man. We outside. Out here rolling, man. Y'all see what time it is. My boy out here. How you feeling? Baddest stunt man in Chicago himself.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling, my boy?
Shit, chilling, man. Living life.
Man, you going to that shit in Kankakee?
Nah, I was there last week. We were last week.
Oh, I saw that shit. I ain't know where that was at though. I'm like, what time they be ending?
Shit.
The hardest out here, man. My boy Hellcat Swerve, man. Make sure y'all go get my boy subscribe, follow, support. What up, my boy? You won already, you know that, right?
Man. No problem.
He won already. He know already. He humble though. He don't want to say nothing. He got a basement full of trophies.
I'm gonna tell her I don't. Excuse me.
Man, look what we done ran into over here. Look at this guy over here, man. Hey, how you doing, man? I'm your biggest fan, man. My name is Mook in the V, man. I just want to be just like you when I get older.
Cameras, man. Look at this fucking lens you got on, boy.
Hey, man, I told him I got the big lens on. They don't know.
I'm proud of you, man. Stepping your photography game up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, hey, make sure y'all tap into Mook and that V, man. Boy doing big things.
My boy right here, man.
My nigga, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, I ain't seen him in like about a month, but you know what I'm saying? It's my boy right here. It's been about 3 weeks. It's my boy right here, though, man. We both be busy.
Hey,
we out here grinding, man.
He had me out all night, man, to a sliding show, man.
Pause. BJ on them things, man. What it is with you?
Oh, what's up, my boy?
How you feeling, bro?
How you feeling, bro? How you feeling, man?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My man out here in the McLaren. I done bought him. Can y'all give me one? I'm saying. Y'all see AB thing over there right there, man. AB in that thing, them cold forges. Hey, this motherfucking lens is heavy though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm finna put this joint off, man. Get my little sip on, holler at my people, and I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a second.
Wow.
My man got a whole AC in here, bro. Real air in there, y'all.
Radio head thing.
Man, can I borrow this? I got a Jeep. Can we trade?
I don't get on the fan on that fan. Be running the fucking battery now.
Doors up on them. Woo. Right, show me how you pull off.
It's all winter. You hurt.
Girls at, man. You gotta have a girl on the side.
See? On that AB shit. There you go on that AB shit, man.
Camaro front end.
Huh?
Camaro front end on El Camino.
I'm finna grab me one of them motherfuckers right there too, man. Cause they so easy to carry and transport. Get around these little shows easy. Quick little ride through on the scooter. The drone video to go with it, done. So man, we out here on the stroll, man. I don't know if y'all can hear us over this That's the second bug that's been on me all day.
boys. Yeah. Hold on, we the boys. Yeah. Hold on, we the